Introduction 1.1 Preface. In the summer of 2007, the wholesale and retail rates for mobile voice roaming became subject to EU revision. This was decided after the national regulatory authorities has consulted that the analysis made under the then current regulatory framework cloud not provide any proof of dominance Mega. Currently, mobile roaming data rates are not subject to EU regulation. The roaming regulation, however, stipulates that the European Commission should review the functioning of the regulation and report to the European Parliament and the Council no later than 13 December 2008. The Commission must review the 1.1 Preface. In the summer of 2007, the wholesale and retail rates for mobile voice roaming became subject to EU regulation. This was decided after the national regulatory authorities had consulted that the analysis made under the then current regulatory framework cloud not provide any proof of dominance on the market of wholesale roaming service. This kept the national regulator authorities NRA from setting ex ante obligation for the wholesale roaming rates. However, the NRA's analysis in some cases indicated that the markets for both retail and wholesale roaming showed signs of limited competition and was characterized by the high level of price. Currently, mobile roaming data rates are not subject to EU regulation. The roaming regulation, however, stipulates that the European Commission should review the fun- uh, functioning of the regulation and report to European Parliament and the Council no later than 13 December 2008. The Commission must review the developments in the wholesale and retail charge from the positivation to roaming customers of voice and data communication service, including SMS and MMS, and shall, if appreciate, give recommendation regarding the need to regulate this service. In the EU, the rates for data roaming service are expected to be high. This, this is the case in particular for users with laptop computers which will transmit high volumes of data traffic. The, unpredictable nature of the volume of the used, in combination with a price plan on a fee per MB basis, is, is causing bill shocks to some customers returning from a holiday off or business trip. On the other hand, for BlackBerry users, this complaint is not often voiced because the international volume is sometimes included in the monthly rate and or the volume used is limited. The situation described above causes reluctance among customers to use data service when abroad. Also, companies have in some cases blocked their employees from using data service when abroad. This leads, this leads to a situation in which the take-up of data uses abroad is low compared to national data use. Complete with regulatory pressure and shock bills, mobile operation in general recognize that the data rates